Our robotics programme at the Children's Cancer Unit charity is a really exciting and innovative initiative. It uses telepresence robots to enable children and young people who are facing treatment for cancer or a complex blood disorder to get back into the classroom. This allows them to stay connected with their schoolwork and, just as importantly, with their friends. The robot is positioned in the classroom and can move around the school. It's operated by the child who is sick or at home or in the hospital using a connected iPad.
In July of 2024, Dylan was diagnosed with very severe aplastic anemia. From diagnosis, Dylan was 8. He had just finished P4 and it was the summer holidays, and he spent an awful lot of time in hospital. So from diagnosis to transplant, he spent the majority of time in and out of the ward. He was very poorly. Didn't have any contact with any friends or any family, actually. When he started to feel better, we thought having the robot would help the connection with school again. He had missed quite a lot of school. He had missed a year and a half. It was hugely beneficial for Dylan. After transplant, he was feeling a whole lot better, and he was able to chat and, start to think about socialising with his friends. He is a very bright, happy, bubbly boy. We were a bit concerned about going back to school in person, that he would be overwhelmed, he didn't know what to expect. So having the robot was able to give him that connection with his friends. It's such a great tool. He signed in, he was able to see all his chums, he was able to work with them, but mainly the social aspect. It was nice for him to make that connection again. The robot also allowed him to attend assembly. He was able to go down in the robot, down to the assembly hall and attend the assembly and listen to all the songs and the music.
It's been absolutely amazing to be able to connect with Dylan at home. I'd never met Dylan before I met him on the robot, because he'd been effectively in lockdown. People hadn't been able to visit him. And it was just a really nice way to actually connect with one of the children in my class who I'd actually never met. So I'd been sending home little pieces of work to him, and everything was done through the office. And it was actually a really amazing experience to be able to have him in the classroom for a few months before he was able to start back at school.
Our robots are always in demand, and we're so grateful to everyone who supports the Children's Cancer Unit charity, helping us to ensure that we have robots for children and young people who are facing cancer or complex blood disorder, so that they don't feel as isolated from their school and their friends.